Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku of today. Thursday, March the 26th. So let's get started with this Sudoku with 3 stars. I see a 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 is here and there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So, in the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then, in this big square, 3 is one of the missing number. I see there are 3, so no 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. So the 3 could be in one of these 2 boxes. So in this column, we have a 3. In the third column, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In the second column, we have a 3 over there. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here and there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 3, yes. Then one, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing in the first column, but I see here 5, so no 5 in this box. Here 5, so no 5 in that box. Only place for the 5 should be there. The other 2 numbers are the 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8, we have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here and there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. One in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, the only 2 places for the 7 is here and there. But I see here 7, no 7 here. 7 should be there. Then yes. This big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the numbers, the missing numbers are 2, 5, 6, and 9. 2, 5, 6, and 9. I see here the 6 and the 9. So no 6 and the 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 and the 9 should be in one of these 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. The other 2 numbers are 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, so no 5 here. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 6 and 9. That means these 2 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. And the and the 8. 5 and the 8. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, sorry, in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. The middle column, missing numbers are 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Three missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 9, and the 5. 1, 9, and the 5. 1, 9, 1, and the 9 we have, so no 1, 9 in this box. 1 digit left for the 5. Here we have 1 and 9, 1 and 9. 5 in this row, 5 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next, so in the last column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 here, 5 should be here. All the 5s are used, I see. Then the 3. Ooh, 9 in the. Let me think. 7. Can I do 6 and 8? Well. 7 in this column, in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here and there, but I see here 7, no 7 here, 7 should be here. Then, I cannot finish this. 4 and 9, 7 and 5. No, the 8. Here, 8. No. 1. 3, 2. No. Am I stuck here? 6 and 8 and 2 are missing. 8 and 2. Yes, a 1 in the first column, a 1 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 1 should be here and there, but I see here 1, so no 1 there, 1 should be here. Then three missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 9, 8 and 7. 9, 8 and 7, we have a 7 there, so no 7 here. The 7 should be here in one of those two boxes. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 2, 7, 3. So 4, yes, 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the second column, the only two places for the 4 should be here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 3, the 2 should be there. The 6, the 9. Yes. This big square, one of the missing number is a 9. I see there 9, so no 9 in these two boxes. So the 9 could be in one of these two boxes. So in the third column we have a 9 in one of these two boxes. In the first column we have a 9 over there. So in the second column, the only two places for the 9 should be here and there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Two boxes left, the 7 and the 8 in this big square. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. In this column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We have an 8 over there, so no 8 here. Here also an 8, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Here also an 8, no 8 there. One box is left for the 8, should be this one. Then 6. Yes, two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 8. Now we have an 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 9. We have a 6 now, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 9 goes there. One number left in the second row for the number 7. Oh, we have a 7 there. This must be an 8. 8 should this be, yes. 1 in the last row, 1 in the row above. So in this row, the only two places for the 1 should be here and there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 and 6. Well, this big square, one of the missing numbers in one of these 4 boxes is a 6. We have a 6 there, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. One box left for the 6 should be here. Then 3 and 9, 2, 3 and 2, 3 and 9. Okay. 1 cannot be here. Wow. 2 and 6. Hmm. 2 and 3. Yes. We have a pair. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, here, or there. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. So the 3 could be here and there. The same with the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 9 is here, here, or there. But we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. The 9 should be one of these 2 boxes. We have a pair, the 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. That means these 2 boxes are reserved for the 6 and the 7 in the last row. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 2. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and 7 is missing. 4 and a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 here. 7 should be there, and the 4 goes here. Then these 2 numbers are for the numbers 2 and the 1. 2 and the 1. We can, yes. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be here. 1 missing number in this row for the number 3. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. 1 missing number in this row for the number 1. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 9. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 4 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and a 6. These 2 numbers. The numbers are also the 6 and the 2. We have a 2 here. So no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Here, we go back. The 6 and the 4. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there. The 4 goes there. 2 numbers missing in this big square. 4 and the 9. We have a 4 here. No 4 there. 4 should be here. The 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers. The 6 and the 3 of this big square. We have a 3 there. No, not the 6. 3 and the 9. 3 there. No 3 here. 3 should be there. And the 9 goes there. Finished in 19 minutes. Alright. People, if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching again. I will continue in a minute with another Sudoku with 4 stars. So see you later. Bye bye.